wikis, blogs, and discussion boards. So wikis, blogs, and discussion boards all provide a place where we can publish information to the web. We can post thoughts, opinions, ideas of various levels of evidence, and we can comment on other people's contributions. Apart from that though, there's quite a few significant differences between the three types. So wikis, the most common wiki that we would all see will be in Wikipedia. It's essentially a web page where anyone can contribute content to it. So wikis are not necessarily reliable sources because of the fact that anyone can contribute, and they may or may not have compelling evidence for the points they put forward on their wiki. But they are very collaborative in nature, and the idea is that a number of people can contribute to one particular area of interest, and together they can actually provide something which has got multiple perspectives and has a lot of extra depth that might not actually have been available if just one person had written it. So wikis are essentially a collaborative document. Blogs are opinion pieces. So this one from Thomas Caldwell here. Thomas is a freelance writer, broadcaster, and public speaker. He has written here about movies. Now, he is qualified to do so, presumably, but you don't know. So freelance writer, broadcaster, and public speaker could be someone who's been professionally trained, or potentially is just someone who fancies himself as a freelance writer, broadcaster, and public speaker. So a blog boils down to the credibility of the writer. It is essentially an opinion piece. People can comment on it, but it is one person's opinion which engages the world from there. Discussion forums, by now you should all know what they are. They're essentially opportunities for people to talk around a particular topic. And multiple people can make multiple contributions, they can respond to each other and engage with the topic. So these little icons organised by Dale Sung really define discussion boards, blogs and wikis really well. So the one we have here, the discussion forum. Discussion forums are topic centered, and we can see here that there's the grey icon indicates a chain of thought that's progressing with multiple people engaging around each particular point. The idea is that each participant has got an equal voice. Not always the case, because some people can dominate those discussion areas, but in principle, ideally, that's possible. Wikis, the one in the center with the green icon, essentially focuses around a single document created by multiple individuals. So the focus is on the content, not on the particular authors, whereas the blog is author-centered. So that's the last one with the blue icon, and there's one writer who writes a document, and then there's a number of people who can contribute to that blog by adding comments to it, but they can't change the individual blog post. Okay, so we use discussion boards to discuss and debate, we use wikis to collaborate and synthesize, and we use blogs to reflect and review. That's it.